Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing the pros and the cons of Journey by Mediavine. So let's start. Journey by Mediavine is a blogger's BFF. Is it the blogger's BFF or just another fancy diary? Let's be real, blogging is like herding cats while juggling espresso shots. You need tools that don't make you want to yeet your laptop into the sun. Enter Journey by Mediavine. They will help you audit or adult your content platform. But is it a game changer or just a digital part on the back? Let's spill the tea with the side of sarcasm right now. The good, the bad, and the wait my word. Let's get started. Category. We're going to look at categories, the pros and the cons. Now, when I mean the pros, I mean the shut up and take my ad revenue stuff. And when I say the cons, I mean the cool stuff, the cool story, bro stuff. Yeah. So let's get started. When it comes to the category of ad optimization, Journey by Mediavine puts ads in your content like a ninja. Subtle, very subtle, but profitable. When it comes to the con, sometimes optimized means your blog now looks like a Times Square billboard. Next, when it comes to speed boost, it will make your site faster than your readers' attention span. It makes your site faster than your readers' attention span. But the con is that it is lightning fast unless you accidentally upload a 10 megabyte meme. When it comes to easy setup, yes, installing is easier than IKEA furniture and way less stressful. Con, user-friendly. It is user-friendly until you dig into settings and feel like you're diffusing a bomb. Next, Mediavine perks. Mediavine, one of the pros is that it gives you access to the ad network. So, cha-chang, you get money. But the con is that only for approved bloggers, that is only the cool kids. So in other words, as a cool kids club, you have to belong to the cool kids club before you can use Mediavine perks. Moving on to support. When it comes to support, Mediavine is helpful. Yes, helpful humans. You get helpful humans, not just chatbots pretending to care. But when it comes to the con, the response time depends on how loudly you cry in their DM. So cry very loudly if you want their response. What's my final verdict? Should you join the journey or should you not? For bloggers who want more money and less hassle, your response should be, sign me up yesterday. But for hobbyists who blog about their cat's existential crisis, maybe you should stick to WordPress.com. You see, Journey by Mediavine is like a fairy godmother for your blog if your blog is Cinderella and ads are the glass slipper. So use it to monetize like a pro, but don't expect it to write your content for you unless you are into AI-generated card poetry. If your ad revenue skyrockets, please send us a thank you pizza with extra cheese. If you are still debating, remember, a blog without ad is just a diary and nobody's paying to read your 2007 live journal. It's as simple as that.